What's up, people? It's your boy Dre from Flipping Phones, and let me show you what we got today. 2002 Lexus SC430. I bought it sight unseen. Car don't even have a key. I don't even know if it run, and I ain't gonna be able to know until I get the key made. I had to order a key from Lexus, so I got a OEM key. But you know what, man? These cars so fast, man. They got the V8 engine, real quick, hard top convertible. Hopefully the top work. Like I say, I don't know nothing about the car, to be honest. Just got it in, really. They delivered it this morning. Got it from IAA. Yeah, man, I usually don't buy cars like this without a key, but I said, hey man, the deal was crazy. I'm pretty sure I bought the cheapest one ever, because I mean, I just got it for a steal. So I'm like, hey, what the hell? My wife really wanted a convertible, so there you go. You know what I'm saying? This is the convertible that I got her. I don't know how much work I'm gonna have to do to this thing, but you know, we'll see when the key comes. Not in the greatest condition, but you know, my people gonna get this all looking brand new when it's done. All of this, you know, the seats need to be refurbished, so we get all of this done, get all of this handled, get it cleaned up. It's a lottery ticket back there, man. I might need to check that. They might have left something behind. Might have left me something back there. But you see, 2002, it does have the navigation that's supposed to lift up. I don't know if it's working. We will see once the key gets finished. So this is definitely going on my project list. It's something that we're gonna be working on here throughout the month, and I'm gonna let y'all see it as well, man. We're gonna work on it together. You heard me? Yeah, Flipping Phones, that's what we do. We learn as we go, stack and we grow. That's what we do. So y'all let me know what you think, man. I think, you know, I had a few of these, man, but I never had a chance to buy one as cheap as I bought this one, man. So I'm just hoping that that it run, you know what I mean? I'm hoping that it's able to crank up and actually run. So that's where we at. I'm gonna do another walk around. SC430, cheapest one I ever bought. I'm gonna be real, I usually don't throw my prices out there, but hey man, it's Flipping Phone. If you don't know, how you gonna know? So I actually got a deal on it, man. I picked it up for like 2,300 bucks. No key. It's not running. Maybe it is running. Who knows? I bought it sight unseen, so I don't know. I really don't know. I can't even test the electronics. I don't have a key. I don't know nothing, and the battery is totally dead. So maybe I bought a $2,300 dud. But we don't talk like that. This thing running, man. Trust me. We good. Lexus is pretty good. I don't have the little... This is where I'm thinking the windshield wiper thing. Yeah. Where the water comes out on the windshield wipers. I mean on the headlights. I know they have extended headlights, so hopefully the headlights work. Just got some damage here. We'll have to fix that. No problem, you know, we do what we do. I like this thing, man, and I know my wife gonna love it, man. It's an early Christmas present, you heard me? We gonna have this thing ready by Christmas, get it repainted, everything redid, and I'm gonna be able to put a big bow on it with the top down and say, Merry Christmas, baby. This is how we do it. You know how we do it. I got you. You wanted a convertible? Booyah. Drive it for a while, then I'll turn around and sell it. You know, she'll get tired of it. But hey, man, that's the beauty about this business, man. It's what I love. I love cars. So you know what I can do? I can see what I need, get what I want, drive it, and then sell it. Go get something else. Make money while we do what we love to do. Take care of family. That's what it's about. So I ain't gonna hold you too long. Quick video. Lexus SC430 2002. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm loving it though. I think I did something real good for myself for the upcoming month, man, because this is gonna make one hell of a Christmas present. Hey, but y'all let me know, comment below. Y'all had one of these before? What problems did you have? You know, did it make you some money? You know, do you still have it? What should I look out for? Let me know. Shout out to the subscribers, man. And again, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. That's what we do it for. We help each other. This is a community, baby. Let's help each other. You know, get it out there. Let's grow together. Let's get it. But it's your boy Dre, flipping phones, and I'm out. Kill.